Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tiny Hands Art. Today, we're drawing some fun number characters from 1 to 9 with cute big eyes. Let's get started. To start, let's divide our paper into 9 equal boxes so each number has its own space. First, let's draw the outlined number 1, and this number has eyes. Now, draw number 2 just like before. Next, draw number 3 with eyes and a smiling expression. Now, draw number 4 just like before. Draw number 5 and like previously. Draw number 6 with his eyes and a smiling expression. Let's draw number 7, make his eyes and a curved line. Let's draw number 8. And finally, draw number 9 with eyes and a smiling expression. Now it's time to add some color to each number and its background. Number 1, color it red. I use here blue for background. Those eyes are gleaming with joy as they look at you. Number 2, color it green. I use an orange background. Number 3, color it violet. Use here light yellow background. Number 4, color it maroon. I use here a green background. Number 5 told me he loves the sky, so I give him a bright blue color. Background goes to purple. I hope you enjoyed drawing and coloring these cute numbers. Number 6, color it red. I choose brown for the background. Number 7 is excited to be painted yellow. Put here a red background. Number 8, color it maroon. I use here blue background. Number 9 loves green, so I made it beautifully green.
Whoa!
Its background color I use maroon. I hope you enjoyed drawing and coloring these cute number digits. Let's redraw this art line to make it look delightful. Don't forget to subscribe with me on YouTube using Tiny Hands Art. And as always, hit that like button if you had fun, subscribe for more art tutorials, and leave a comment below with what you'd like me to draw next. See you in the next video. Bye!